If it's no stopping, why'd you pull me over?
Listen.
I don't have time for this.
I'll give you. What you want to do? Listen.
Shut your mouth.
The best thing you can do is to give me your ID book and hide a little present in there for me, okay?
Wena mnqondo wakho andinaxesha ele nonsense ndifuna uhamba mna. Naxesha lakho.
In the future, if you do what I said with your ID book, you won't get arrested.
In the future, don't stop me for shit.
I didn't stop you for shit. I stopped you for... okay. Okay, you know what? You know what? Let us all be decent South Africans. Let us be decent South Africans. Because you've just been shaxed by Leon Schuster.
Mnqondo wakho Leon.
Aan die camera. Kom gou uit. Jy het my amper gebliksem.
Volgende keer gaan ek jou blik.